If you're seeing a Gmail error 400, don't worry. This is usually a browser issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 simple steps to get Gmail working again. Clearing your Google cookies and cache, and making sure cookies are enabled properly in your browser. These steps are safe, beginner-friendly, and they solve one of the most common causes of the error. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to clear the Google cookies and cache. Corrupted cookies are often the #1 reason Gmail throws a 400 error, because your browser may be holding onto bad or outdated site data. If you're using Google Chrome on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Once that window appears, set the time range to all time. This is important because if the corrupted data has been stored for a while, clearing only the last hour or day may not fix the problem. Next, make sure you check cookies and other site data, and also check cached images and files. These 2 options are the ones most likely to affect Gmail login and loading issues. After that, click Clear Data. When the process finishes, close your browser completely and restart it. Now try opening Gmail again. In many cases, the 400 error will already be gone after clearing that data. But if you're still seeing the error, the next step is to make sure cookies are enabled in your browser settings. Sometimes cookies for Google or third-party sites get disabled accidentally, and when that happens, Gmail can keep returning the same 400 error every time you try to sign in. To do this in Chrome, go back into your browser settings. You can start by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete again, then cancel out of the pop-up if needed, and look for the section related to privacy and cookies. From there, click on third-party cookies. In that menu, make sure the setting is turned on to allow third-party cookies. If cookies are blocked, Gmail may not be able to store the session data it needs to work correctly. After enabling cookies, refresh Gmail and sign in again. If the issue was caused by blocked cookies, this should resolve it right away. If you still have trouble, make sure you're not using any privacy extensions, strict tracking protection, or browser settings that could interfere with Google services. Sometimes an extension can block the login process even when cookies are technically enabled. So to recap, the fastest way to fix Gmail error 400 is to clear corrupted Google cookies and cache, then make sure cookies are allowed in your browser. These 2 steps solve the issue for most users and take only a few minutes to do. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.